Hi, I'm Ipsa. Today we'll be taking up the topic of reactivity series. Uh, Two, three things just before we start. One, I expect to know the full forms of these symbols. Class 9, class 10, you all are big enough to know that what is K. K is potassium. What is Pb? Pb is lead. Sn. Sn is tin. So, before you start this episode, I really expect you to know all the symbols and their how to be pronounced. What elements are those? One thing. Second thing, we're not here to do generally just what is written, something is stronger than something, it just helps you to know what is stronger. You're here to understand the meaning of reactivity series. मतलब stronger क्या बोलते हैं? One element is stronger than the other element here. That is what the series is. Okay. But what do you mean by stronger? उनकी कोई लड़ाई चल रही है कि ऐसे boxing चल रही है कि the one will defeat one somebody, that iron will defeat zinc or something. There's no fight going on. Okay, there is a fight going on, but there's no boxing going on. So what do you mean by stronger? Are they like stronger to hammer? उसको ऐसे ऐसे तोड़ोगे तो वो जल्दी टूट जाएगा और वो नहीं जल्दी टूट जाएगा. No, they're not strong. Strength is not like hammering strength and breaking strength. It's not that. So what is this when they say reactivity series? The main sentence that is mentioned everywhere is this is stronger, this is weaker. This is the most strong element and this is the least strong. Okay, let's not more strong and this is less strong. And as we go down, the strength keeps decreasing. That's what they say. Matlab, but if I choose these two, who's strong? Upar wale are stronger. The top ones are stronger. So the meaning, I'm just writing what is mentioned in the books and then we'll understand it, their meaning. What is mentioned in the book is the top ones, the top elements are strong. That's what they write. Okay, good. The lower elements are weak. Okay, this we are. Then one important point that they mention is this hydrogen is also a part. This is supposed to be a reactivity series of metals. When we write this, this is reactivity series of metals. Okay, fine. But they give an exception. But still, but, a big but, हाइड्रोजन इज इंक्लूडेड इन इट. अब इसमें बट की क्या बात? बट की बात या ये है दो हाइड्रोजन इज दे डोंट नो येट, उनको खुद ही नहीं पता है समटाइम्स, इज नीदर मेटल नॉर नॉन मेटल. They're not sure of the category of हाइड्रोजन. वो बीच में झूलता रहता है, कभी वो मेटल के जैसे बिहेव करता है, कभी वो नॉन मेटल के जैसे बिहेव करता है. सो दे से कि प्राइमरी तो ये सारे मेटल की सीरीज थी, बट इसमें हाइड्रोजन भी डाल दिया जिसका कुछ खुद का ही पता नहीं है कि ये मेटल है कि क्या. सो दिस इज वन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग अबाउट इट, ये हाइड्रोजन को डाला हुआ है जबकि इसकी प्रेजेंस होनी नहीं चाहिए थी. ओके, now let's understand the okay, so one example we'll take from this series. Suppose I compare lead and magnesium. Who's stronger between lead and magnesium? Let's find. lead is here, magnesium is here. हम क्या बोलते हैं, जो ऊपर होता है वो stronger होता है. Okay. So between magnesium and lead, magnesium is stronger. Good. Let's take another example. Tell me between hydrogen and tin. Let's see. Hydrogen is here, tin is here. जो ऊपर वाला होता है वो स्ट्रांग होता है. ऊपर कौन है? tin ऊपर है. So it becomes tin is stronger than hydrogen, and so on. So any combination of metals you take, any set of metals you take, you'll get who's stronger and who's weaker. Now we'll come to the main topic. ये strong weak का मतलब क्या हुआ? Hammering का मतलब नहीं है. It's not that वो बॉक्सिंग कर रहे हैं, देखने में ऐसा सख्त नहीं है. So what do you mean by a strong metal and a weak metal? First of all, let's revise what a metal was. एक बेसिक केमिस्ट्री के एपिसोड में we had done what is a metal. 2-3 rough definitions of metals we had done. One of the most important definitions of metal was what? It gives away electrons. This was one of the most important definitions of metal which we are going to keep in mind. It gives away electron. अब give करके ना बहुत खुश हो जाता है. जैसे okay, I don't want to give a very filthy example. Suppose हम क्या give okay बहुत खुश हो जाते. Suppose I am a very दानी person and I like to donate money. I like to do charity. So suppose I give 100 rupees to somebody. I feel very happy. I feel very satisfied. Next day, I give 500 rupees to somebody. I'll feel even happier, even more satisfied. Okay, so the level of satisfaction. Why? Okay, but suppose there's a person A and there's a person B who are both very charity oriented. Okay, both are very charity oriented, but this is a millionaire and this is a simple average middle class person. This is a middle class. Both of them give rupees 1,000 as donation. Who will be more satisfied? किसको ज़्यादा खुशी होगी? इसने तो बेचारी अपनी 10% of the salary दे दी. He'll be so thrilled. I did so much good work. I did this. I fed 100 people. I did this. This will be very, very satisfied and happy. While this, इसको क्या फर्क पड़ता है? तो इसने एक नोट निकाला. अच्छा, अब तो 1000 का नोट भी नहीं होता. इसने 2 नोट निकाले और दे दिए. उसको पता भी नहीं चला कि कहाँ कम हो गए पॉकेट में से. 20,000 रुपए थे, 1,000 कम भी हो गए. इसको पता भी नहीं चला. बट yeah, he was happy. He was happy giving somebody 1,000 rupees. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is some people become more happy by donating and some people are less happy donating. I hope this comparison is true. Now, we are also talking about giving away. But we are not talking about giving away money or doing charity. We are talking about giving away electrons. But the same concept applies. Exactly same concept applies. Suppose you have an element A and you have an element B. This also gives 1 electron to somebody, and this also gives 1 electron to somebody, whoever needs it. But Maybe one of them is more happy. Let's assume that this is more happy, more satisfied. Let A be more happy. I'm just assuming, there's no fixed rule. Let A be more happy, more satisfied. Okay, this is also satisfied, but okay, happy. Now this has a bigger heart. वो बहुत खुश हो गया है देख के. He has a gold of heart. He is a very strong person. उसको देने में बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी हुई है. This one has become very happy and this is a very strong and nice person. And impulsive. उसको इतनी खुशी होती है कि वो जिसको देखता है एक इलेक्ट्रॉन दे देता है, जो में मिलता है एक इलेक्ट्रॉन दे देता है, क्योंकि ही फील्स सो हैप्पी अबाउट इट. उसको सबको देना है, जो मिल जाए, जो मिल जाए उसको एक एक देते जाओ. बट ये थोड़ा सा कंजूस, लिटिल स्टिंजी. मतलब देता है पर देख के देता है, ऐसे नहीं कि सबको दे दिया, किसी को दिया किसी को नहीं दिया, थोड़ा सा इस टाइप का इंसान है. So I'll call it less nice. He's nice, less nice, and less strong. As a person, as a human being, he's less strong. We are not, doesn't look like chemistry from anywhere, but still, there's an element A, there's an element B. When they both give some electrons, one of them feels very happy, very nice. So he's a very giving person. वो कोई भी मिलेगा उसको दे देगा and we feel very very happy. वो सबसे पहले जाके दौड़ के आएगा. Go first, run and give. ये सोचेगा, 10 घंटे लगाएगा, फिर देगा सोच के. He will quickly give the electron without any nakra. And this will slowly think and then calculate and then slowly give. हो सकता है सामने वाले को छीनना ही पड़ जाए, ये देना ही नहीं चाह रहा हो, है मेटल पर देना ना चाह रहा है, सामने वाले को छीनना ही पड़ जाए. So this becomes a weak metal, this becomes a weak person. Now this exactly fits into the definition of this. This is what reactivity means. What does it mean? is जो आसानी से देता है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग है, जो बहुत क्विकली जाता है और दे देता है इलेक्ट्रॉन, वो स्ट्रॉन्ग एलिमेंट है. ना हम कह रहे हैं पोटेशियम स्ट्रॉन्ग एलिमेंट है एज कंपेयर टू मैग्नीशियम, राइट? ये ऊपर है, ये नीचे. सो इफ आई टेक एन एग्जांपल, कैन आई से between potassium and magnesium, are these definitions okay? Okay, let me not take magnesium, I'll take something else. Okay, I'll take calcium and zinc. This gives 2 electrons, you know that, and this gives 2 electrons. But who's on the top? Calcium or zinc में who's on the top? Calcium is on the top. He's strong. That means वो फटाफट भाग के जाएगा. अगर दोनों जो जने खड़े हो वो फटाफट भाग के जाएगा और कैल्शियम पहले दे देगा, जिंक को देने का टाइम ही नहीं देगा. So that's why calcium will be called stronger than the zinc metal. Got it? Now we'll do it in equation form, what it means. Okay, I hope the meaning of strength is clear. दोनों अगर खड़े हैं एंड दोनों अगर को देने का चांस है, जो स्ट्रॉन्ग वाले होंगे वो फटाफट जाके दे देंगे, वीक वाले सोचते रहेंगे देंगे नहीं देंगे, 1 घंटे बाद देंगे, या फिर दूसरे को बेचारे को आके छीन के ही लेके जाना पड़ेगा, वो देना नहीं चाहते. Sometimes somebody has to snatch them also. So that is what is a weak element. Okay. Now let's take actual examples and see what is happening in the reactivity series. Okay. Now, we know non-metals. Remember non-metals, what they did? They liked to take electrons. उन बेचारों के पास होते ही नहीं, कम होते हैं, उनको चाहिए होते हैं electrons. They feel happy when they take electrons. Okay, that's what now let's have a party. Let's have a party on that party table. There are 3 people sitting. Let's see. Maybe one is aluminium is sitting. One lead is sitting. And one non-metal is also sitting. Which non-metal do you want to take? Chlorine, simple, best, easy. Chlorine, a non-metal is sitting. Okay, so this is a metal. This is a metal. This is a metal, but this is a non-metal. Now see, whose metals की ही हम बात कर रहे हैं, हम नॉन मेटल की बात नहीं कर रहे, वो ऐसी पार्टी में आया हुआ है. एल्यूमिनियम और लेड. एल्यूमिनियम ऊपर है, लेड नीचे है, राइट? हु स्ट्रॉन्गर, हु इज विलिंग टू गिव अवे इजीली? ही हैज अ कोक. He has a coke. Lead has a coke. Who will give it to the chlorine? Chlorine is like a gentle lady, and both of them are trying to woo her. All 3 of them have come together, and let's see who becomes the boyfriend for. Who was this? This was chlorine. Now, who will become her boyfriend? Obviously, जो पहले ऑफर करेगा वही तो बनेगा, उसी से तो खुश होएगी ना. सो नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस टेबल वी नो दैट एल्यूमिनियम इज मच स्ट्रॉन्गर. वो फटाफट अपनी कोक देगा और इसको दे देगा क्लोरीन को. वो तो सोचता ही रहेगा कि मैं पीऊं कि दूं कि ना दूं. सो व्हाट विल हैपन आफ्टर 1 second is aluminium has given away its coke to chlorine, and she is extra happy, right? And this lead, stupid lead, is still sitting with his coke. Metal. He is still sitting with this coke, and the girl has gone away with. Why has the girl gone away? Why is she not going with him? Because the moment aluminium gives away electrons, does it not become positively charged? It becomes positively charged. And the chlorine, because it is taking electrons, it becomes negatively charged. और इसके ऊपर charged क्या है? 0. He is excited, positive charge. Oh, I have given away the coke. Let me see the influence. She's excited. Oh my God, aluminium is giving me electrons. Maybe he's interested. Both of them are excited. One of them is positive, one of them is negative, and one is neutral. तो ये बैठा हुआ सोच ही रहा है क्या करूँ. And you know that positive, negative, they attract. You know that. What will happen? Quickly, aluminium and chlorine will join together and throw away lead. Please go to some other table. We don't need you. They will quickly join and form a compound. What happened? This was strong, this was weak. This was a taker. The stronger one, he could have also given, but he was strong. उसने फटाफट दे दिए. तो जो कंपाउंड बना वो किसके साथ बनेगा? इसके साथ नहीं बनेगा. तो ये सोच रहा है, जो दे ही नहीं रहा इलेक्ट्रॉन. कंपाउंड इसके साथ बनेगा, and the compound will be here. I know it's not the exact formula, but just for understanding, the aluminium and chlorine will form the compound, and the lead, which is neutral, still neutral, will remain. This has become positive, and this has become, they attract. Why? Because they are positive and negative, they attract. And here, aluminium gives away Lead does not. Why? Because aluminium is on top of series and is more strong. Strong in what sense? In giving electrons. ये तो लेने ही बैठी थी, उससे लेती या उससे लेती, एल्यूमिनियम में फटाफट दे दी, फटाफट जाके उसके साथ बैठ गई, लेड को भगा दिया. Good. Let's take one more example. I hope this is clear. Let's take one more example. I hope your parents and your teachers don't sue me for spoiling you with girlfriends and boyfriends. Yeah? Don't mention these examples there. Keep it to yourself only for understanding. Okay, let's be even more adventurous. Okay, adventure is, we have a couple. I have a couple zinc sulfide. Oh, okay, not stick. Let's not, I am not interested in zinc sulfide. Let's take, I have a couple ZnO. I'll explain why I'm calling it a couple. And I have a chada who is sodium. Okay. Why am I calling this a couple? Because this is a metal and this is a non-metal. We know a metal and a non-metal together make up a compound. Right? They together make up a compound. We know that zinc has some positive charge. We have oxygen has some negative charge. I'm not writing the numbers. Because they are positive and negative, they are attracting. He has already given his coke to her, so she's become her girlfriend. Okay. Now the sodium comes. They're enjoying their time, having a good time to themselves. They're having a good time to themselves on a table, and sodium is sitting alone, bichara, on another table. But what do we know about their natures? Sodium. And where is it? What was it? Zinc. No, zinc. Sodium and zinc. Who's stronger? We know that sodium is much, much stronger than zinc. Okay, this is a fact we know. It means what? Sodium will give away electrons, or in this case, our coke, very, very easily. Now he starts wooing her. अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स शाइन कराता है, देखो मेरे पास एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है, यहाँ पे भी इलेक्ट्रॉन है, दे आर ऑल फ्रीली अवेलेबल. ही इज तो गिवन यू वन कोक, आई कैन गिव यू. Okay, no, one coke is not of relevance, but he flaunts his strength. कि वो तो बस इतना सा देके खुश हो जाता है, पर मैं तो इतना स्ट्रांग हूँ कि मैं कितने भी लोगों को दे देता हूँ, मैं तो देता ही रहता हूँ. आई एम स्ट्रांग, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी ऑन गिविंग. सो व्हाट हैपेंस, दिस गर्ल, शी सीज दिस flaunty sodium and says, wow, he looks like a better guy, he's so generous, he's so such a nice human being. So what does he do? What happens is, when this happens, this breaks its friendship with zinc. Oxygen, the non-metal, she breaks her friendship with zinc, and she nicely travels towards Na. यहाँ से फ्रेंडशिप तोड़ी, जिंक को अकेला छोड़ दिया, and nicely she's traveling there. Okay? Okay. उसने कहा अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन अपने पास रखो, मुझे नहीं चाहिए, मैं उसके पास जा रही हूँ. He looks like a better guy. Quickly, so now sodium comes into action. He gives away lots of electrons. इधर उधर बहुत सारे. And gives it to nicely talks to her, gives her the electron. Oh, gives her the electron. The oxygen takes the electron and feels very happy. This has become sodium positive, and then rest is a story. Sodium and oxygen have become friends. So, what has happened ultimately? What has happened ultimately? The gist of the story is there was a ZNO, there was Na. This was strong, right? This was weak. ये उसको उठा के फेंक, सोडियम ने जिंक को उठा के फेंक दिया क्योंकि वो वीक था. दिस वाज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सन. उसने उठा के फेंक दिया और उसकी सीट पे जाके बैठ गया. तो सोडियम स्ट्रॉन्गर था, उसने वीक वाले को उठाया, उसकी चेयर पे से भगाया और ऑक्सीजन के साथ जाके बैठ गया. और बेचारा जिंक कहीं जमीन में पड़ा हुआ रह गया. So this is what is reactivity series. It tells you कि कौन किसको रिप्लेस कर सकता है, कौन किसको रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकता. Now in this case, this could have replaced. But suppose I take an example. There I have. So this is good because this was stronger and this was weak. He replaced sodium. Replaced. Or let's write in the rough language only, threw away zinc from his chair, from from zinc's chair, and sodium sat with oxygen. This is what happened in the nutshell. Why? Because sodium was stronger. It was able to give away electrons much more happily, much more easily. Okay, let's take example 2. Now we'll not go into so much details of. Suppose I have HCl and I have gold. Okay, gold looks very, very impressive. Here, this is the metal. We know the first thing is the metal, and this is the metal, obviously. According to the series, which is strong? Hydrogen is upper. This is on top. This is at bottom, lower in the series. When you have lower in the series, it is weak. But this is strong. इन दोनों के कंपैरिजन में हाइड्रोजन इज स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड गोल्ड इज वीक. तो ये उसको उठा के अब उसके चेहरे पे से फेंक पाएगा? वीक जना स्ट्रॉन्ग को उठा के फेंक सकता है? तो ये रिएक्शन ही नहीं होगा. वो बैठे रहेंगे या अकेला बैठा देखता रहेगा एंड दिस विल बी नो रिएक्शन. वो बेचारा वीक है, ना वो इलेक्ट्रॉन देने के लायक है, ना वो उठा के फेंकने लायक है. तो क्या करें? कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Right? Let's take quickly another example. CuSO4 plus, a very, very common example. Very, very common. You know, this is copper, this is iron metal, this is on the top, this is below. Below means weak, top means strong. Now, can he throw away this person from his chair? Yes, ये स्ट्रॉन्ग है बहुत. आयरन ऊपर है, कॉपर नीचे है, ऊपर वाला स्ट्रॉन्ग, फेंक देगा तो रिएक्शन हो जाएगा. वो जाके गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ बैठ जाएगा, वो FeSO4 बना लेगा और कॉपर बेचारा जमीन में लुढ़कता रह जाएगा. चलो, let's see how strong or weak you are. Next time when you go for a date, think about reactivity series, right?